Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry, and today is Friday, September the 3rd. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and today we're going to be looking at the chart of the dollar index. It's a 30-minute chart. Here we can see we are in a 5 waves down. We got this with 1 and 2 in the minute degree. 3 and 4 is also finished. And then now we are doing a wave 5 on the downside. Okay, and yeah, we do have a slight divergence right here, suggesting that yeah, we still can call it to be a wave 5 for now. And shorter cycle looking for the downside, well below 92.78 right here, looking for more downside. Okay, so that will be sort of in the shorter cycle. We can get a few more lows to finish 5 in black, and then we should be ending 5 waves down, starts to reverse higher at least in 3 waves. Now let's talk about a couple of other possible different paths and check out slightly in the larger degree to get a context. I'm looking at the daily chart now. Now if we take a look at the daily chart, we've been sort of sideways since we made a low in January this year. Right, so we got this clearly 1 and 2, and then now this is the third swing that also breaks above here. Now if we simply measure the 100% extension from this low, we can see that we have already more or less hit perfect 100%. So in other words, if this is corrective, this could have been labeled as completed because it has already hit the 100% and starts to go down, right? That is one possibility, right? So now we are, the move down here is labeled as a 5 waves, right? As you can see here, this is 1, 2, this is 3, 4, and now we are in the wave 5. So this is labeled as a 5 waves, and that 5 waves is about to finish, and then soon once that 5 waves is finished, we should get some sort of reaction, like a 3 waves reaction at least, right? And then from there the market is going to decide again whether you know, it's gonna continue to go down, or whether it's another possibility here is again the sort of the expectation here is once we finish 5 waves, we should be getting some sort of 3 waves reaction. I think that's kind of like the minimum expectation. But more than the minimum expectation, if we look at this structure here coming up from this low on July 30, right, on July 30, now we could see what looks to be like a 3 swing. Looks like a 3 swing here. 1, 2, 3, which means that if it is a 3 swing, there is a potential that, and this is only a marginal high above here, there is a possibility that this is actually doing some kind of a flat, expanded flat A, B, and then now doing a C as a 5 waves. And now if that's the case, we could go higher again, because this one, it looks like an impulse, right? But this one looks, I mean, depending on whether you can count this as a 5 waves or not. I mean, if you force it, maybe you can do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this swing here is a little bit bigger in distribution. It looks better to be counted as this is like some sort of ABC here. If it is an ABC, then this is a 3 swing. Now if this is a 3 swing and this is an impulse, then there is definitely a chance that this is actually a flat A, B, and then this is a C. So if that's the case, then not only that we're gonna get a 3 waves reaction higher after we end the 5 waves, but actually we could extend to a new high, right? So that's another possibility there. But sort of the minimum expectation then is that once we finish the 5 waves down, we should be getting at least 3 waves reaction higher. If this is a flat, we can extend to a new high. If but you know, on the other hand, if this is actually finished, this entire rally here, and you count this as a 5 waves, then that means this decline could be in the start of something new, and we could actually just bouncing and then starts to go lower again. So that's the idea here with the dollar index. Now shorter cycle is simple. Shorter cycle looking for more downside to finish this with 5. So we only have a 1 2 3 so far, so looking still for more downside, rally to fail and go lower to finish a 5 ways down from this peak before we get at least a 3 ways reaction to the upside. Okay, so that's the idea here from the dollar index. And as always, if you do want to get regular updates, we got a 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. And see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.